Risk assessment and management during plant work maintenance are crucial for ensuring the safety of personnel and the smooth operation of the facility. Here are steps and considerations for effective risk assessment and management. Risk assessment. 1. Identify hazards. Evaluate the work area to identify potential hazards such as electrical, mechanical, chemical, or environmental risks. 2. Assess risks. Determine the likelihood and severity of identified hazards. Use tools like risk matrices or risk assessment forms to prioritize risks based on their potential impact. 3. Involve employees. Engage maintenance workers and relevant stakeholders in the assessment process. Their insights can be invaluable in identifying risks and proposing solutions. 4. Document findings. Maintain a record of identified risks, their potential consequences, and the measures needed to mitigate them. 5. Prioritize risks. Rank risks based on their severity and likelihood of occurrence. Focus on high-risk areas that could lead to severe injuries, operational disruptions, or environmental damage. Risk management. 1. Develop safety procedures. Create detailed maintenance procedures that address identified risks. Include step-by-step guidelines for safe maintenance practices. 2. Provide training. Ensure that maintenance workers are adequately trained on safety protocols, equipment operation, and emergency procedures. Regular training updates are crucial for staying current with safety standards. 3. Use personal protective equipment (PPE). Provide and enforce the use of appropriate PPE, such as helmets, gloves, goggles, and protective clothing, depending on the maintenance task. 4. Implement control measures. Employ engineering controls, for example, machine guards, ventilation systems, administrative controls, for example, signage, work permits, and behavioral controls, for example, training, supervision to mitigate risks. 5. Regular inspections. Conduct routine inspections of equipment and work areas to identify any new hazards or potential issues. 6. Emergency preparedness. Develop and communicate emergency response plans for potential accidents or incidents. Ensure all personnel are aware of emergency procedures and evacuation routes. 7. Continuous improvement. Review and reassess the risk assessment periodically. Incorporate lessons learned from incidents or near misses into future risk assessments to improve safety measures. Additional tips: comply with relevant regulatory standards and guidelines. Encourage a safety culture where all employees are empowered to report hazards or safety concerns. Conduct regular safety meetings to discuss potential risks and reinforce safety practices. By systematically identifying, assessing, and managing risks during plant work maintenance, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents, ensure worker safety, and maintain the smooth functioning of the plant.